Now talking about question number 14, I've already solved it. You need to compare power used in 2 ohms. I'll read the question once. Compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. आपको दो सर्किट्स दिए और दोनों में जो 2 ohm resistor है उसका पावर कैलकुलेट करना है. Power used in 2 ohm resistor. Okay. So first one is you have 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors in series और 6 volt के साथ connected है. So we know P is equal to I square. But we don't know the value of I here. So from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, I becomes V by R, where R is the total resistance connected in series, which is 1 ohm plus 2 ohm, यानी 3 ohm हुआ. तो current क्या हो गया? 6V by 3 ohm, that is 2 ampere current is flowing through the circuit. Okay, so power through 2 ohm will be I square R, where resistance value you have to take 2 ohm because you're calculating power for 2 ohm resistor. So I becomes 2A, resistance is 2 ohm, substitute, you get 8 volts. Alright, now the second circuit, same question, second circuit, where you need to calculate power through 2 ohm resistor. They are connected in parallel. 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors are connected in parallel with 4 volt. Okay, potential. So, since this is parallelly connected, we know V is constant, since it is parallelly connected. So, P equal to V square by R, where V is 4V, it's given, and through 2 ohm we have to calculate. So, resistance value becomes 2 here. So, power what we obtain from a 2 ohm resistor is 8 volts. Now they have asked us to compare. So when we see both the cases give you same power. So power remains same for both the cases. That completes question number 14. Now look at question number 13. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line. Okay, a total 220 volt main supply is given to you all. Has two resistant coils A and B. There are two resistant coil A and coil B. Okay, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately. Either the resistors are used like as 1 and 2 in the sense, see, you have two coils. So the first possibility, case 1. Let me write as case 1 is you have one resistance connected to 220 volts. Okay, so this is coil A and it is given as 24 volts. Okay, this is one case, and you have another coil B again connected to 220 volts, and this is also this is 24 ohms. Resistance is 24 ohms, not volt, 24 ohms. So you have either it is taken separately like this, like two different circuits, or it might be connected in series, it says. So second case becomes these two are connected in series. So you have 24 ohms here, you have 24 ohms here, and you have 220 volts connected. This becomes another circuit. Here the total resistance, we know total resistance becomes 24 plus 24, which is 48 ohms. This is another case. Then the third case, or in parallel, they say it might be parallel. So for parallel connection, (220) supply, this is 24 ohms, and this is again 24 ohms, right? So these are the three cases given. Here total resistance becomes, when it is parallelly connected, you know, 1 by Rp will be 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. So Rp becomes what? 24 by 2. So that is 12 ohms. Okay. So what do you have to calculate? What are the currents in these three cases? You need to calculate I value, which is easy. So I for both the cases, since the value remains same, we know I is equal to what? V upon R. So V is 220 volts and R becomes 24. So 24 ohms. So whatever decimal value you get here, so this becomes, if I reduce it, it comes approximately around 9.17 ampere when you divide it, right? So 9.17 ampere goes through this circuit and also through this circuit when taken separately. So now current value for the second case, here I is equal to V upon R, V remains 220, resistance we know it's connected in series, so 48. This will be the current value. For third case, we have already calculated resistance, so I will be 220 divided by 12. This will be the current value. Alright, that's all you had to solve for this question. So let's move to the next question, question number 12. Several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 volt electric supply line are rated 10 watts. Okay, how many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across the two wires of 220 volt line if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere? Okay, so let's read this again. An electric bulb is designed which works on 220 volt. Okay, rated 10 watts. So bulb design is given to you as 220 volts and 10 watts. Okay, this is the bulb design. So how many lamps? You need to calculate number of bulbs. If it's bulb, it's bulb. If it's given lamp, it's lamp. So you need to calculate number of lamps. Okay, connected in parallel. So when we say connected in parallel, voltage, since it's connected in parallel, V remains same, correct? Potential difference applied becomes constant throughout, and sum of current drawn by each bulb will be equal to the allowable current. आपको allowable current दिया है, allowable current value is given as how much? 5 ampere. Alright. So sum of current flowing through each bulb, sum of current through each bulb will be 5 ampere, right? सिर्फ 5 एम्पियर करंट ही उसमें से फ्लो हो रहा है, तो हर एक बल्ब से जो करंट है उन सबको ऐड करेंगे तो 5 एम्पियर को तो एक्सीड नहीं करेगा, ठीक है? तो पहले करंट थ्रू ईच बल्ब देख लेंगे. सो आई थ्रू करंट थ्रू ईच बल्ब कितना होगा? आई कितना होगा? P क्या होता है? V इंटू आई होता है, तो I क्या हो जाएगा? P अपॉन V. तो यहाँ पे पावर कितना है? करंट थ्रू ईच बल्ब इट इज, आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग फॉर ईच बल्ब. सो पावर कितना दिया है? 10 वॉट्स दिया है एक बल्ब का, टॉकिंग अबाउट वन बल्ब 10 वोल्ट्स, और पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कितने में चल रहा है? 220 वोल्ट्स पे चल रहा है वो. तो यहाँ पे करंट कितना हो जाएगा? 1/22 एम्पियर्स हो गए करंट थ्रू ईच बल्ब. और हमें पता है मैक्सिमम कितना, अलाउबल करंट कितना है? मैक्सिमम दिया है वो 5 एम्पियर्स दिया है, राइट? एंड हमें नंबर ऑफ बल्ब्स ढूंढना है, तो नंबर ऑफ बल्ब्स कितना होगा? एक बल्ब का इतना है, राइट? सो n इंटू करंट थ्रू ईच बल्ब, एक बल्ब का जो करंट है, दैट विल गिव मी 5 एम्पियर. फॉर्मूला ये होगा, एक बल्ब का करंट है 1/22 एम्पियर, तो n बल्ब्स के करंट कितना होगा? n इंटू आई होगा, वो मिला के आपको कितना दे रहा है? 5 एम्पियर्स दे, ठीक है? सो n इंटू 1/22 एम्पियर्स इज इक्वल टू 5 एम्पियर्स. तो n कितना हो जाएगा? 22 इंटू 5, यानी आपको कितने बल्ब्स मिलेंगे? 110 बल्ब्स. इज दिस क्लियर? एक बल्ब का आपको रेटिंग दिया है, ये रेटिंग है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस और पावर दिया है, ठीक है? हमें नंबर ऑफ बल्ब्स ढूंढना है. आपको पता है कि ये सारे पैरेलली कनेक्टेड है, मतलब पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या होगा यहाँ पे? सेम होने वाला है. और मैक्सिमम जो करंट फ्लो हो रहा है सर्किट में, दैट इज 5 एम्पियर. मैक्सिमम अलाउबल करंट है 5 एम्पियर. तो पहले हम, और ये 5 एम्पियर मतलब हर एक बल्ब से जो करंट जा रहा है उसको जोड़ेंगे, तब जाके आपको 5 एम्पियर मिल रहा है, राइट? सो करंट थ्रू ईच बल्ब कैलकुलेट करोगे, सो दैट विल बी P अपॉन V. तो हमें मिला एक बल्ब का, हमें करंट रेटिंग मिला, करंट वैल्यू मिला 1/22 एम्पियर्स. तो ऐसे n बल्ब कनेक्ट करेंगे तब जाके करंट आपका 5 एम्पियर आ रहा है. तो ये n ही तो हमें ढूंढना है. सो n इंटू करंट flowing through each bulb, flowing through one bulb, that is 1/22 equal to 5 amperes. तो n कितना हो गया? 110. ठीक है?